weather function provides weather information for the route between your starting point and your selected destination. Make sure your Škoda is online and press the Menu button and select Connect on the screen. After selecting the weather icon, you can view up-to-date weather information, including temperature, probability of precipitation, wind direction and speed for the current position of your car. Use the arrows to switch between weather forecast for the next 24 hours, 3 days, or current weather information. If you have destination guidance activated, you can select the destination button to view the weather at your destination. Use the Meteo Radar button in the menu to view current precipitation radar data.